My name is Raphael Moffett. I'm the Vice President for Student Affairs at Langston University. I hired Kevin Brown to come speak to our freshman class. It's the largest freshman class we've ever had at Langston University, about 600 students. He was phenomenal. The information that he gave was very practical. The strategies that he gave them was something that I wish somebody would have gave us when I was in school. And our students really responded well to the information. His delivery was very relatable, very personable, but also very informative. And I find when I bring speakers to campus sometime, they're one of the three, but rarely are they all the total package. So I really appreciate Kevin for coming out, speaking with our students, and we're definitely going to have to bring him back again to do more presentations like he did. The AM/PM As I Matriculate Pay Me presentation and workshop was exactly what our students needed, and I think they'll benefit from it for many years to come.